For today's Tesla Model 3 accessory video, or actually any car accessory video, I'm going to showcase this Apple CarPlay display from Carpodgo T3 that actually works perfectly in your Tesla Model 3. It detaches with a magnet also, but more importantly, it works with any car. And my wife has a Pathfinder. She doesn't have a display. I'm going to hook her up with this display. Check this out. What's up guys, Myung from Camera to Freedom. I'm going to showcase this display, guys. I mean, so far I've been doing a lot of display videos and they are all amazing, and you actually have to install it. You have to take out your dashboard and you hook it up to the side of the car, or you just run it through, you put it on the bottom of the OBS connector. So there's some technical aspect behind it, but this Apple CarPlay, it only plugs in to your car adapter. It Bluetooths with your phone, and then it uses the old school technology, your radio technology, to transmit audio. So that way the music or the sound is coming out from your car. And it works with every car. So I'm going to show how this looks in my wife's Pathfinder, and you could use it for any car. And that's what's so cool about it too. And it detaches through a magnet. It comes with different kinds of mount, so you could mount it to the front windshield, onto the dashboard. It's got some double-sided stickers that you can use to mount it, and it's high quality. It's very responsive. I will have the Amazon link below if you do buy from me. Thank you so very much. All right, I'm gonna go install it in my wife's Pathfinder and show you how that looks. So for the connection, you could use this suction cup to stick it to the windshield, but I just used the double-sided plastic piece that it comes with, and I just stuck it to somewhere that was flat, and then I just stuck the suction cup right on top of it. So that is a very clean setup. And then the wire isn't too bad. It's kind of hiding behind it. I got tucked in on the side and it goes on the bottom, so it's very clean. And then there it is right here. You could click on that to turn the power off or turn it back on. It does give you a USB connector if you want to charge your iPhone on top of that. So yeah, I hope my wife is happy with this display. So I love the way this looks. I love the starting animation. You can go into the menu and change the logo to your car brand, including a Tesla, every car brand that you can think of. Normally, when I'm driving our family Pathfinder car and not our Tesla, I have my phone right over here to look at my map, and that's how I use my Apple CarPlay, just on my phone. And of course, obviously you can do that, right? But now we can instantly just do it right over here on a big screen. So when I'm driving, I have my map right over here. It's big. Look how responsive that is. It's very quick. The refresh rate is very fast. And now I don't have to look at the tiny screen looking down. It's right on display as I'm driving. So I love this display. Here is the FM connection. You could do Bluetooth connect to your car. It comes with an auxiliary cable if you need to connect it directly to your car through an auxiliary cable. Or you can use a speaker. It has a built-in speaker in the back. It's not that loud, but at least it has something. I might just end up using the FM because this Pathfinder doesn't have an auxiliary input. So I highly recommend it. Amazon link below. And thank you if you do buy from my link.